Oh, he's big. It is. It's a big blue cat. Yeah, it runs the video. Oh my gosh, she's a big one. It might be that one we always catch. Huh? You got him by the tail?
No.
Oh. It's that big one that we catch all the time. It is too. Don't let him get around the dock. Look at him, guys. Look how big he is.
Very nice one, though. Come over here.
Trying to reconnect.
I didn't need a bigger net.
Yeah, it's back on. Lost the live feed.
Jiminy Christmas.
Good googly goo. Oh, that is a bigger one than that one. That's not him. That's different. That's real fat. That big one we always catch is long and like not as fat as that. That's a big one. Oh, come on, reconnect. Lost signal.
Look at that.
Came right out.
Right out.
Oh, I wanted to show that. Show the hook on this video. Why is there two hooks?
Had another hook in him.
And you got it out?
Yep.
Let me see that hook that was in him, how it dissolved. Looks like it dissolved. Oh, that was so cool. We got his old hook out. Now can you show me the knot that we showed on your hooks that you got there?
Yeah. It's the same knot.
That's
This
your
is the exact same
knotless knot.
It's the one I've had.
Okay. Oh, throw that fish. Move that net. Oops. We lost you for a minute on the live. But this, we don't, I guess we caught him before because he had an old hook in him that we got out, as well as the new hook. Came out easily.
No, the line was broke.
Oh, the line was broke?
Yeah.
So, because I don't remember seeing him before, and he's really fat. One blue that we catch sometimes is not fat like that. He's long and skinny. Will you move that so the people can see the...
Hold it up, Richard.
Just...
Chill out. It's going to be able to see it better whenever I do this right here.
Yeah, but it's boring.
There ain't nothing boring about it.
Now that is a big catfish. That is the biggest one I've seen come out of here. That, it's got to be Bethlehem. Got to be. Wow. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Catch and release. Oh. Don't take your fish grips with you this time.
Trying.
That's awesome.
There you go. Right there. Still right there. There he goes. Right, coming up here. Yep. Right up through there, see him?
Let's see his bubbles.
Just see a shadow.
Thanks for watching. Hey, go over to YouTube and check us out. Pawn Stars, or it might be under We Are Pawn Stars. And we only need 148 more subscribers on YouTube to be at our 1,000. So, thanks for watching us. Bye. Are you on the YouTube channel?
Come on, Ma.